Hi, this is CKNNA and welcome to the third tutorial in Java. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the JDK you have downloaded earlier on. So this is my JDK over here, the version I downloaded, 64 bits for Windows. So I just double click on my newly downloaded software, just like any other software. You just click on next, accept the license agreement and a whole lot of things. Okay, so while we wait for this application to load, I want you to understand one thing. This very tutorial is limited to the Windows users. Okay, so in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to install it on Mac as well, but it's very unfortunate I won't cover Linux in this series of tutorials. But if you really follow me, you can still run Java in Linux and all that. Okay, so this is the interface which opens over here. So you click on next and then maybe next again, and then it actually tries to install the JDK on the computer. I already have it installed, so I'll just quit it over here. I won't allow it to install on my computer. So after installing this, you go to my computer, then you go to your drive C. It's normally installed on drive C by default. If you don't change it, it's going to be on drive C. Then you go to your program files, and then you find one folder over here called Java. So you open the Java folder. There's another folder in the Java folder which you also open again. Then finally you go to the bin folder which you open. Okay, now we come here and then we copy the path which leads to the bin folder. So we come here and then I copy this code. You can now close the window over here. Now you go to my computer again. On older versions of Windows like Windows 7, this appears as my computer. So if yours is my computer or this PC is still the same, you right click on the my computer and then you go to the properties. Okay, when you go to the properties, you go to advanced system settings. Okay, so this is the advanced system settings, and then you go to environment variables. You click on environment variables, and then you come to system variables. So you scroll through them till you get path. When you get this path, you click on edit. Okay, when I click on edit, it actually appears with something like over here you see something as C program files Java JDK. This is simply because I already set up my environment. So let me wipe this off. So this is how it should be originally. It ends at TypeScript. Okay, so we're coming to add the path to the bin folder to this particular variable value over here. So you start with a terminator or a semicolon, and then the code we copied, the path we copied earlier on, you just paste it back over here, and then you click on OK, and then OK again, OK again. So you can finally close your window over here now. So this is just how we actually going to this is how we're actually going to install the JDK. So it is fully installed on my computer. I've already set the path for my JDK. So in the next tutorial, I think I can start programming Java. And then I believe that everyone has his Notepad++ installed, as we're going to use in the series of this tutorial for Windows users. Okay, so if this is the first time you're using Notepad++, this is a sample interface of Notepad++. So this is something I've done in HTML, and this is something I've done in Java. Okay, so in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to install JDK in Mac, so that the subsequent tutorials we continue. No, in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to run the first Java program, and then from there we actually learn how to do it in Mac and other operating systems. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial.